Here's my first rainy day on Wingashik Beach. There were a lot of seagulls right there, and as I climbed up this rock, they heard me and took off madly. And all these birds are hanging out there, just to the east of the island. I don't quite get it. I don't know how well that shows up, but there's a 1.5 mile area here. And why they're all in that spot, I don't know. Must be good fishing I don't know about. There are some birds. Look at. This is what it's like when it rains. Just a light rain, but it feels so nice. It's cooler. It's not, it's about 56, 57. But that place is like the Sargasso Sea of birds. I don't get it at all. I'll wiki it. Why do birds hang out in that spot east of the island? Surely that's a phrase Google will return something good with. To be continued.